I've found the conference really, really energizing. It's a 4-day conference. We're talking about discipline, agility, we're talking about collaboration, we're talking about customer centricity. But I think the really important thing is that we're talking about reconnecting after so long for not seeing each other.
Knowing that it's the future direction and where we want to move and grow as a business, knowing that we do have to change, we do have to adapt, and we've got to be more versatile to meet customers' needs, customers' challenges as we move forward.
I think what's really interesting for me is to hear how the strategy of the business is shaping up, to think about more collaborative approaches to how we approach customers.
And it's just so great to be able to meet all our colleagues from around the world, to get to know each other, to learn about things that we can apply in our lives, like grit, like having a growth mindset.
And it's a great opportunity to network with the other managers from across the group, as well, of course, learn some new ideas.
What puts ASAFE ahead of the competition is being ahead of that curve and being the disruptor and moving forward to the next step, the next generation before the competition.
It's motivational. They are looking several aspects from an organizational point of view, but also from a mindset point of view.
Now we are focused in the customer satisfaction, the customer excellence. So we have many activities to do to try to get the customer as fans. So I think that is very important. Focus all our activities in our client.
I came here for training and for collaboration and to meet the friends, to meet the other professionals from whom I can learn a lot and where I can share the experience.
Contact more our colleague, our neighbor colleague, like my colleague from the Netherlands, like France, Germany, to collaborate more together to achieve our biggest goal.
By the end of this, I hope we've inspired enough people to move forward and to grow with us and really have that fantastic culture that we've already got, but we're just lifting it a level again.
We've got to learn now how to put those things into action. How do we move them forward? And it's not going to happen overnight. We're going to have to do things a step at a time. We're going to have to prioritise.
I think one of the benefits for our clients of conferences like this is that there's real tangible benefits for them coming out of it. It doesn't become an internal talking shop. I think that our approach to clients gains consistency across our regions and across our category of clients, and I think it means that they just get a better service from us with more consistency and continuity, no matter where they happen to be in the world.